Today we're going to talk about lab grown. I'll tell you what, we're getting a lot of calls lately for lab grown diamonds, mainly in engagement ring, and some bigger style pieces. Lab grown diamond and natural diamond, for you to understand, it is the same material, it is the same product. You have a diamond and a diamond. Just this diamond, lab grown, is not earth mined, is made in a lab. And this diamond, a natural earth mined diamond, is the same exact thing, just was mined from the earth, from the ground, dig it up, and they just polished it. So let me explain you. We have here this, this. Okay, just for you to understand, for me to know the difference, besides the fact that it tells me here lab, they're exactly the same thing. Okay, this is a 207, this is a 234. Obviously, when they have the lab grown diamond, they try to make it more perfect, VVS, whatever, the higher end, just because the raw material is cheaper, significantly cheaper than the earth mine raw material, such as rough diamond. That's the reason they make nicer and better quality lab grown diamonds. But the only thing you will have a difference is only the price. This here is the natural. This is a 207. I paid for it $12,000, my price, okay? I'm selling it for $15,000 with a mounting. This right here, this is a 234, okay? I'll sell it 234 with a mounting for $3,000. So this is basically the idea. It's like 5 times more expensive with the natural. So that's give or take, that's the ratio. But for you to understand, lab grown diamond, it's the way to go if you're on a budget. Anytime, just go with the lab grown, just because it's the same idea, it's the same thing. Diamond is a diamond, okay? So this is a lab grown diamond, this is a natural diamond, same thing. Whatever works with your budget, okay? Don't forget, we're always here to help you out, whether it's natural, whether it's lab. Right here in our inventory, all the jewelry you see is only natural jewelry, okay? Natural diamonds. But for engagement, nowadays, I have to be very honest with you, let's say 2-3 years ago, and before that, we used to get like 99% calls only on natural diamonds, okay? Nowadays, it's just the other way around. Over 90% of our inventory calls for engagement rings is lab grown diamonds, guys. So don't get fooled. Fuck the rest, come to the best. Balili Brothers.